chat between the captain and the bowler. Often, it's not very good from the bowler's point of view.
There's a man out there. There's a man. Oh, dear me! Tim Southee straight away was looking at the lights and he didn't seem to be in position. But what a miss that is. 1 run taken. There's a look at the shot. And the waiting there was if he catches it, you need to be on strike. We can't take a single. But then Southee can't keep a hold of it. And Bumrah's pulled him out the thigh. Good fielding. Now it's on its way for 4. And good running as well.
McClenaghan was the fielder. He did a fantastic job. He saved 3, but now he saved 2.
Played. Well played. Deft touch. And gone for 4. FBB stylish player of the day. So good, Steve Smith. McClenaghan.
He plays some different shots, Stephen Smith. And watching these two bat together, MS.
Looking for a boundary, that final delivery. And he finds it. In the mid-wicket region. 165 for 3.
Bludge smoking that one through mid-wicket. Amazing timing. What an...
Something. No, nothing, says the ump.
Sure whether there was an appeal for LBW or caught behind. Let's have a look. He just flicked his pocket.
Yeah, there's a sound, but you... MSD. Couple of dots, some hope for the Mumbai side, and then bang, one bounce for 4.
That stock delivery is just back of the leg. And they needed a boundary under pressure, very well executed.
There's a man out there. There's a man. Oh, dear me! Tim Southee straight away was looking at the lights and he didn't seem to be in position. But what a miss that is. 1 run taken, 19 gone. It's 172 for 3. If he catches it, you need to be on strike. We can't take a single. But then Southee can't keep a hold of it. And Bumrah's distraught. Sorted out. Here's Pollard, 13 off the last. LB1.
And the hardest thing here for the Mumbai Indians is that they've forced to bowl Pollard at the end. And Pollard's been brought on now to change the pace up and try and bring home something special.
Yeah, was good with batting. It'll just be 1. It's good. It's good from Pollard and the Mumbai Indians. 11 from 4.
Started up, Pommy. The helicopter
Doesn't. But they're all slower deliveries.
He's going cow here, cow corner.
And it's big on that side in the field. No, hasn't got a hold of it. Just 1. Pollard and the Mumbai Indians still in this. 10 from 3.
Oh, it's a fight to the death.
What about a wicket?
Absolutely. What a time to get a wicket now. Stephen Smith on 72, but he's experienced.
Oh, yes! Knew it was a slowie. Waited for it. And bang, out the ground.
What a time to do it. Stephen Smith, the captain, been given the reins. And he wants to see his team. Hasn't got a little piece, he's got the whole lot.
Incredible under pressure. They needed a 6 to be in the game. 4 required of 2 balls. And what an innings has he played. Can he finish it off in style? A lot of chat between the captain and the bowler. Often, it's not very good from the bowler's point of view. Smith will be...
Oh, yes. Oh, what a strike. What a batsman. Stephen Smith. 84 from 54. To bring up rising Pune Super Giants' first win on their home ground. It's by 7 wickets and led wonderfully by their skipper.
Well, what a knock, and that's a massive win in the end. rising Pune supergiant, win by 7 wickets. And Stephen Smith, you've got to take your hat off to him. He's
For a year, and he turns up and plays a brilliant innings. One of the best you'll ever see. And he's soaking pressure so very well. It was a tight over till then. They needed a couple of massive hits. And Steve Smith pulled out 2 sixes. 2 magical hits that sailed over the boundary and made sure the rising Pune supergiant get the first point in the IPL 2017.
I tell you what, you've got to chase well to chase a big total such as this.